Are you looking for tiny living options, but not too tiny? Then this Apple cabin house might just be yours. This Apple cabin is a hit among couples and families who are looking to maximize their floor space. This Apple cabin house is available in a variety of configurations from open plan to 3 bedrooms, with some options featuring a laundry or walk-in robes. With a cleverly designed space-saving kitchen, a practical, luxurious bathroom, and ample living space, the container house is the preferred choice for those who want ample space to call their own. Are you interested in to get it? Welcome to contact us today.